Hello guys, it's Coopmeister, and this is a tiny miniature Chum pocket watch. You can kind of see it if my phone would like to focus here. Right there, you can probably get a good look at it. It's kind of, this is a typically different lady's watch dressed up as a bull of a Rubaiyat. Kind of bull of a watch. It is a running watch, you can see there. And the movement is made by the Elaine Watch Company. It's made by the Elaine Watch Company. But the case is like made by the Chum. You can see the winding crowns and stuff. Really nice. Going to give this watch to my 90-year-old grandmother. It's going to get the watch right there. So, okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.